Hello, good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for making the effort to come today. Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Doan, a sales manager from ISBM company. Maybe you know, as people, the development of science and technology and the progress of human society, people in their daily life to use most of their products are produced by using different machines. Those equipment not only can effectively improve the work efficiency and work time, and also save the manpower in operation time. There are large of products if people are unable to complete by hand. Therefore, the use of equipment for the life of people brought convenient, especially in the use of blowing machine. Now, please allow me to introduce my company briefly. The next page you can see we are the professional manufacturer and the whole line solutions provider in the field of infusion PP bottle packaging. We mainly offer single machine solutions to fully integrated packaging lines. With our devotion in research and development, combining our rich experience in production and profession on services, we have provided perfect solutions for our clients and got a good reputation from them. So the most important belief for us is that service-oriented, customer first. We also hope that our service will meet your requirements and we will build a successful partnership together. This is the final result what we want. Actually, we always try to introduce the industries with latest technologies and consumers. Our mission is to provide automation to the industries. Our products and services are widely used in pharmaceutical and food industries. We also providing project consultancy to our clients. We have a brilliant team consisting of engineers, designers, and managers who work diligently and providing 360 degrees service to our vulnerable clients, including sourcing comprehension, ROI, and after-sales service in the least possible lead team. In the recent years, we bring the wealth of knowledge of ISBM technology having worked with European GF company in Italy. We can see the next page. As we know, GF is a leader in the European, not only in the RVP IV bottles, but also PFIs, SVP, and inspection machines. We can see this table on the PowerPoint. Our customer have the European country customers like the Portugal, the Italy, the Korea, and the Russia, and the Asian customers like the China and the Pakistan. Besides, we have more than 100 production lines in China, such as Qinmin Healthy Management Company and the Kelun Group, and so on. This is okay, we can see the next page is the cooperative partner. It's all over the world have the foreign customers. Okay, we can see the next page. This is the IV solution progress. First, we should pour the PP raw material into the injection machine to make the preform, and then those preform will through the cooling conveyor to blowing machine. The blowing machine will stretch and blow the preform to become the bottle. After that, those bottles will send to the filling to fill the liquids in the bottle inside and sealing. After then, the finished bottle will sent to sterilization station, inspection station, and packaging station out of the factory. Okay, now let's talk about those parts one by one. We can see the next page is the raw material. We can offer you a professional guide in raw material selection and support you to find the proper one by your needs. This is the raw material. Next one is next page is the preform injection system. As we know, preform production is the first and very important process in infusion plastic bottle packaging line. Actually, we are the first company in China to introduce the preform with hanger. Maybe you know, in the past, we always use preform and hangers production separately. It will need two injection machines causing the cost increasing and waste a lot of time and energy consumption in the production process. But now, we made the preform with hanger to one piece. We save a lot of energy and money. We have the third advantage to show you. The first one, we don't need the requirement of additional injection molding machine for hangers production. It will save a huge amount of money for you. The secondly, since hangers will be produced with preforms, therefore, the assembly required for preforms and hangers, it will make the operation more easier before. The third one, for assembly of hangers and preforms need extra time, heating and causes wastage also. So the preform with hanger together will greatly decrease the energy consumption of air, electric, water, power, and material. Our high-speed injection machine suitable for 24 to 144 cavities mold or runner injection preform. The cycle time can be shortened to 20 to 55 seconds. The capacity can reach 2,000 to 20,000 bottles per hour. It can be treated from 100 milliliter to 1,000 milliliter in the same machine. By our professional and rich experience, we can offer you an efficient and reliable preform production machine and molds with integrated solutions. Okay, we can see the next page is a preform cooling conveyor system. As before, we talked about that, preform is conveyed by preform cooling system to blowing machine, which can improve production line efficiency, reduce repeated pollution, and ensure preform in a good condition in conveying process. According to your workshop layout, we can provide you a rational and efficient cooling conveying system solution to meet your production needs. Okay, we can see the next page is the blowing machine. For the blowing machine, we adopted smart high current auto voltage control system. The equipment can accurately control preform temperature and greatly save manpower, raw material, and energy. Preform molding use servo preform loading system, servo mold clamp system, unique rotary conveyor system, preform loading system, and two steps servo stretch molding system, which can accurately control stroke and guarantee even bottle thickness. Besides, the equipment uses user-friendly interface and has a tele-diagnosis system to ensure safer and more reliable running. For injection stretch blowing molding machine, it is adopted high current auto voltage control system. The equipment can accurately control preform temperature and greatly save manpower, material, and energy. Okay, we can see the next page show you the each parts and each station. The first one, we will send the preform onto carriers by conveying system, use the conveyor, and then the preform will into the ice cream board and the preform loading. The third one is heating preform with heater. The third is sending preform into molding cavity by servo mechanical clamp. First one, stretching and blow molding preform inside molds. Next one is taking out finished bottle. The next one is automatically connect the device to filling machine. So as a core equipment of Infusion packaging line, blow molding machine plays an important role to the output of whole line. We can offer you a customized solution with your required material and parts, flexible design, and a professional solution for blow molding machine with a size of 100 milliliter to 1,000 milliliter. Capacity range from 2,000 bottles per hour to 20,000 bottles per hour. This is the blowing machine. Okay, let's talk about the filling machine. The filling machine. Our filling machine adopts bottle chain and chain methods, which can be directly connected with both linear and rotary blow molding machines. It is suitable for PP bottle, which cannot be transported by conveyor belt. Also, our machine is packaging machine that combines 3 working stations of washing, filling, and welding. The 3 stations adopt the main rotating type, and the sealing part is sealed by a single layer heating piece hot melt welding cover. The whole machine adopts the robot to clamp the bottleneck to position and hand over, and never scratch the body and the bottom of the bottle. It can be improved the production efficiency and ensuring the quality of infusion production. Okay, let us see the next page is our filling machine progress. The first one is the air washing part. This part is mainly used for the cleaning of plastic bottles before filling the liquid during the production of bottle infusion. It can automatically complete from the inlet bottle. Bottle inside the ionic gas clean. It will be clean the foreign matters from the air pump vacuum discharge and to the production process of the outer bottle handover. The principle of bottle washing is that each bottle washer is equipped with an independent ion generator. The injection ladle is inserted into the bottle under the guidance of the raising cam and sealed, and the ions produced at the top of the spray ladle are blown into the bottle by clean compressed air to eliminate the static electric in the bottle. We're blowing the plastic particles in the bottle that have eliminated static electricity. At the same time, a vacuum device is configured at the bottom of the spray ladle to inhale particles and debris suspended in space into sealed storage tank and drawn the outdoors. After the ladle is left inside the bottle, the main power then flips the plastic bottle 180 degrees to make it mount up and deliver it to the filling sites. Next one is the filling part. The filling part is mainly used for filling the liquid in the production process of plastic bottle infusion. The heightened constant speed self-flowing principle is used for filling. Easy to clean, no mechanical friction, and the contract parts of the liquid using 316L material in line with GMP requirements. The upper part of the filling side is equipped with a high liquid distribution tank. The liquid from the workshop, the liquid distribution tank flows into the tank by distributing the pneumatic diaphragm valve at the top of the tank to reach the set level of liquid surface and begins filling. Filling material is regulated by the opening time of the upper valve of each filling head in the touchscreen. Filling time accuracy of up to 0.01 seconds. Time control are current and reliable so as to ensure constant measurements according to the size of filling volume adjustment filling time. The last one is the welding cover part. This part is mainly used in the production process of plastic bottle infusion. After the liquid filling infusion bottle welding the cap, a single layer heating plate is used for long contact hot melt cap sealing. After the liquid is filled, the bottle cap is clamped by the handover and supplied to the cover rail. The heating mechanism heats the cap and the end face of the bottle to the paste at the same time, and then press the cap and the bottle mouth together. And the bottle after the cap welding will send to the bottle conveyor through the bottle discharging mechanism to enter the next process. So the 3 stations about washing, filling, and welding, the 3 stations are integrated, which has a compact structure, good centering, simple operation, high degree of automation. It means with no bottle, low filling, low cap, low welding. It will be reduced the operator and high production efficiency. Also, the commissioning and maintenance are very easy. The length of the production line is greatly shortened. It can save workshop space and is more suitable for the international conditions. By our rich experience, we can offer you a safety, reliable, and adaptable fueling machine solution. By your fields, motor size and dimension requirements, we can provide you customers the machine with your required material and parts. And also the capacity can be achieved 2,000 bottles per hour to 20,000 bottles per hour. Okay, let us see the next page. It's our service. The first one is about the bottle design. Our professional design team can design bottles by your production requirements and actual use. We design preform shape and weight in different sizes to make products more competitive. The electrical engineer team, we have the experience. The electrical engineer team can offer you a professional technical training and support, including PLC programming, application principle of electric components, circuit design, electrical installation, troubleshooting, and so on. This is our service. We can see the next page. It's also we can provide technical support and maintenance service and establish a periodical communication mechanism with clients, know conditions of equipment and the demands of clients timely, and provide corresponding solution, and so on. Okay, next page, I will show you the advantage. The first one, all suppliers will claim that they can provide Preform with hanger. Below one will show you projects running with this because actually SQH have only done this project in reality. The second one, SQH has experience of working with European companies and have well-learned GMP and European standards. Last one, SQH has recently done the project in Europe and that ISBM 9 is qualified for European production. The last one, SQH has the documentation of European standards that is already qualified, whereas for competitors, you will hardly find this experience. Okay, next one, I will show you the cooperative partners. It's around the world, from the different country, have different customers. Next page is the supplier. You see, for our machine, we adopt all of the famous brand for you, okay, next one, next page. Why we are your choice? Because we can offer you a current and professional solution with our rich experience and guide you in the right direction in selecting plan to avoid unnecessary loss and chores according ensure your benefits at most. So we hope that we can build cooperative relations in the future. That's it. Thank you.